Once upon a time, in a small, cheerful town, lived a curious little girl named Amina. She loved to play, paint, and explore, but when it came to cleaning up, she would wrinkle her nose and say, "Mama, why clean? It gets dirty again." Her mother, wise and gentle, smiled. "Let me show you something magical," she said. One sunny morning, Mama gave Amina a small broom. "With this, you can learn the magic of a tidy room," she announced with a wink. Amina reluctantly accepted the broom, still unconvinced of its magical powers. She dragged it around her room carelessly, grumbling under her breath. Suddenly, as she swept under her bed, she found a sparkling gem hidden amongst the dust, a vivid aquamarine stone that caught the sunlight like a prism. Bewildered, Amina ran to her mother. "Mama, look." Mama knelt beside her. "You see, Amina? Sometimes, when you clean, you find treasures you didn't know you had." Amina's eyes widened with wonder. What other treasures are hidden around? She mused, a newfound enthusiasm bubbling up inside her. Over the following days, Amina became enchanted with tidying up. She would sing and dance while cleaning, imagining herself unearthing ancient relics or mysterious jewels. One day, while organizing her bookshelf, she discovered a forgotten storybook filled with fairy tales and adventure stories. Another treasure. Mama watched her daughter transform, a knowing smile gracing her face. Each evening, long after the chores were done, Amina would sit on her bed with her beloved newly found book, dreaming of the next day's potential discoveries. As the sun set, casting a warm glow over their little town, Mama tucked Amina in and kissed her forehead. "Good night, treasure hunter," she whispered.